All right, guys, so the story is I went into the dealership. I saw a CTS-V sitting out front, and I was like, man, that looks good. That looks really good. And so I went and talked to the guy. I think his name was Logan, and I was like, hey, you know, he grabbed the keys. All the cars were locked. I didn't know they did that. And man, it looked like it was in good condition. The leather inside was terrible, but you guys will see in the video just the condition of the car. I guess the CTS-V was lowered. It sounded good. The cold startup was good. It had some exhaust. It was lowered, new tires, and then like new air filter. So probably pushing about 600 horsepower, to be honest. But I get in there, talk to Logan. I see a HellCat sitting over there, which I want to buy a HellCat at some point. And I see a HellCat sitting over there, and I was like, hey, let's take this thing for a ride. And you guys will see what he said.
What year is it?
Probably 18, 17. Yeah, that's sweet too, man. Yeah, I have a buddy who owns one of these. 16? Wow. That's great condition. You got leather or what?
It'll have the,
oh, you guys don't leave them unlocked?
It'll have the vinyl in it.
The vinyl?
It's kind of vinyl.
Wow. Needs some cleaning on the front there, huh? Oh, only 11,000 miles? Here we go, CTS-V. Woo! This thing's dirty. Got the Corvette next to it. Paxter's got one of these. Grand Sport. Needs new rotors, obviously, you can tell. So 556 horsepower, he said. Looks like it's got some damage up front here. I like it. This is dirty, man. Oh.
We have a 15 HellCat over there.
Of course, fuel level low, because these take premium. Sounds good, man. All right, guys, we got the 2019?
Yes, sir.
Brand new, wow. 2019 HellCat. Hey, so can we take this for a ride or what?
Unfortunately, we can't.
Why not?
It's dealership rules, man.
They got all these in stock, just ready to pounce. Got the shaker, 370 with the shaker. These base models just look so good. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. Subscribe and like this video. Appreciate it.